Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows Update error. There was some problems installing update 0x80070643, so let's get started. First, we need to launch services. So from the taskbar search, type services and select it from the result. Once in services, scroll down until you find Windows Event Collector. Once you find it, double click on it and set the startup type to automatic and click apply. Then click start to activate the service. Then click OK to close the window. Next, let's find Windows Event Log. Double click on it, set the startup type to automatic, click apply, and then click on start. And do the same thing for Windows Update. After you've done that, close the services window and let's restart your PC. Once your PC is restarted, check to see if the issue has been resolved. If it hasn't, let's move on to the next step. Now let's open the command prompt, so click on the taskbar search and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as an administrator. In the command prompt window, you'll need to run few commands. You could either type or copy and paste the following commands, which you can also find in the video's descriptions. And once you've executed all 4 commands, let's restart your PC to apply the changes. Once it boots back up, let's go to Windows Update and click on the retry button. Hopefully, this will resolve the issue. Let me know in the comments if this has fixed the problem. If it did, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.